Abdul Kalam. India has to be transformed into a developed nation, a prosperous nation, and a healthy nation with a value system.
Wishing a very happy, bright and sunny morning to respected Principal Gauri ma'am and Mrs. Shamila ma'am, beloved teachers and our dear friends. We the students and the teachers of grade 7 welcome you all to celebrate the journey of the prosperity of our motherland India. Viksit Bharat 2047.
Prayer lets us feel connected with our creators. Prayer helps us to stay grounded. Let us all join our hands, close our eyes, and pray for the well-being of all.
Viksit Bharat 2047 is a vision for India's development, aiming for a transformed and prosperous nation by the year 2047. This vision encompasses various dimensions of growth and development, aligning with India's centenary of independence.
Now, I would like to invite our beloved Principal Ma'am, Miss Gauri Sarkar, and our very own Head Mistress Ma'am, Miss Sharmila, and Miss Raina Bhatt, to light the lamp and give an auspicious beginning for our today's assembly. Now, I would like to call upon my friends to update us with the latest news.
International news. Bangladesh prefers India over China to execute a $1 billion river development project. Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina said her government would much rather prefer neighboring India over China to execute a $1 billion river development project, a move that would soon New Delhi's security concerns.
National news. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announces Budget 2024. Jobs and new employment are the main focus.
State news. Rupees 5,336 crores allocated for railway projects and railway line stretch for 3,200 kilometers in Telangana.
Sports news. India has won 3 bronze medals in the Olympics, and all of them come from shooting. Manu Bhaker has won 2 bronze medals. Manu Bhaker has won 2 bronze medals, one in individual events of 10-meter air shooting and another one by teaming up with Sarojit Singh.
DPS News. Delhi Public School Miapur is organizing an inter-school short film festival on 10th August 2024. The event is titled as Srijan Film Festival and the theme is Celebrating the Spirit of India. The school is looking forward to receive entries from the participating schools, which will be screened at various screens at DPS Miapur.
Today's weather report. Maximum temperature forecasted for the day is 28 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature forecasted for the day is 23 degrees Celsius. Precipitation percentage is 55%. Humidity percentage is 94%. It will be mostly cloudy today.
As we keep ourselves updated with the current happenings all around the world, likewise it is very important to keep updating our active vocabulary too. So let us learn the word, thought and fact for the day.
Today's word of the day is entrepreneurship, spelled as ENTREPRENEURSHIP. I repeat, today's word of the day is entrepreneurship. The meaning of the word is ability and readiness to create and develop economic ventures. Usage in a sentence. The vision of Viksit Bharat, a developed India, envisions a strong resilient India that fosters innovation, job creation and entrepreneurship.
The thought of the day. Viksit Bharat is a nation where no one is too small to dream and no dream is too big to achieve. I repeat the thought of the day. Viksit Bharat is a nation where no one is too small to dream and no dream is too big to achieve.
Timelines explain the full picture of a particular era from beginning to end. To understand the achievements made so far and what we envision in the next 2 decades for a Viksit Bharat, we are using a timeline.
The first 20 years post-independence was the time when Bharat witnessed the establishment of some of the most important institutions like IITs and AIIMS, laying the foundation for a developed India.
Long years ago, we made a trip with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measure, but very substantially. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom.
మంచి కాలం ముందు ముందున అందరూ సుఖపడాలి నందనందన మంచి కాలం ముందు ముందున అందరూ సుఖపడాలి నందనందన మంచి కాలం ముందు ముందున అందరూ సుఖపడాలి నందనందన
India gained independence, Jawaharlal Nehru, the country's first Prime Minister, pioneered the establishment of the IITs. He envisioned a system that would groom some of the brightest scientists and technologists in India who would help in building the newly independent nation and in making it self-reliant by engaging in research, design and development.
Dr. Homi Jehangir Baba conceived the nuclear program in India. Dr. Baba established the Atomic Energy Establishment, Trombay, on January 1954 for a multidisciplinary research program essential for the ambitious nuclear program of India. After the death of Dr. Baba, the AEET was renamed as Baba Atomic Research Center.
BARC is a multidisciplinary research center with extensive infrastructure for advanced research and development covering the entire spectrum of nuclear science, chemical engineering, material sciences and associated research for Indian nuclear program and related areas.
The first AIMS was set up in 1956 in Delhi under the All India Institute Medical Sciences Act 1956 and was formed under the leadership of India's first Health Minister, Amrit Kar. Originally proposed by the Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, the foundation stone of AIMS Delhi was laid in 1952.
In the 1960s, India faced severe food shortages, so MS Swaminathan, along with the other scientists, worked relentlessly to develop high-yielding varieties of wheat and rice. These new varieties, combined with modern agricultural techniques, led to significant increase in crop yields, thus ensuring food security for the nation. This marked the beginning of the Green Revolution in India.
Let's move on to the second stage of our timeline. 1967 to 1987. India marched into the second phase of development with high spirits. Though the development slowed down due to war and emergency, the Indians never gave up.
चलिए भारत का विकास 1967 से 1987 तक देखते हैं.
The world was still under the impression that India was just a land of snake charmer and black magic. But we Indians did magic with our limited resources. From transporting the parts of rockets and satellites on bicycles and bullock carts to reaching Mars in its very first attempt, India has always been at the top. In the 1950s, as the USA and the Soviet Union entered the famous space race, the seeds of ISRO were sowed by two great Indian scientists, Homi Bhabha and Vikram Sarabhai.
In 1962, Indian National Committee for Space Research, also known as INCOSPAR, was set up with Vikram Sarabhai as its first chairperson. Slowly and steadily, INCOSPAR grew and on 15th August 1969, it became ISRO.
What is this all about? What are they assembling?
Aryabhatta was India's first satellite, named after the 5th century famous Indian astronomer and mathematician of the same name. Aryabhatta was launched on 19 April 1975 by a Russian rocket named Cosmos 3M from Kapustanya, a Russian rocket launch site. Not only have we flourished in the field of science and technology, but also have showcased world-class performance in the field of cricket.
has a great quality to heal a person both mentally and emotionally. Music is a form of meditation. I now request the music team to come up on the stage and showcase their soul-touching performance portraying the journey towards Viksit Bharat.
point in the country's economic history. The reforms introduced during that time profoundly impacted India's economy, leading to increased growth, foreign investment, and globalization.
The benefits of globalization in the Indian industry are that many foreign companies set up industries in India, especially in the pharmaceutical, BPO, petroleum, manufacturing and chemical sectors, and this helped to employ many people in the country.
Let's watch the development of India in the third stage in the timeline between 1987 to 2007.
I am so disappointed.
Why? What happened?
I struggled all my life just to educate my children. And now that my son went to an interview yesterday, he got rejected, saying that there were very few vacancies available.
I know, my dear. Nowadays it's a declining market. No companies from outside are coming to India and our industrial sector is also in a bad shape. Even my children are not getting jobs having all the qualifications necessary.
Yes, exactly. Everyone's just looking for limited government jobs.
Madam, what are you discussing?
What to tell you, sir? The children are getting education and skills, but all waste.
Don't worry, our government is going to introduce new policies like privatization and liberalization to make India an open market for the world. Then you will see the growth of industries and many employment opportunities for our future generations.
Sir, is this real? Will this happen?
Yes, ma'am. Through the Right to Information Act, we can question the government and get the required information.
Good job! Good job!
Our neighbors could not digest the happiness and growth of India and entered our territory through Kargil. Our Indian soldiers were ready to fight any kind of attack. They marched towards the borders to protect our motherland.
ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कंधों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कंधों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कंधों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं
निकले हैं मैदान में हम चाहते भी पर लेके तब देखो दम लेंगे हम जाके अपनी मंजिल पर खेलना इतनी तो हमने हिम्मत है मोड़े कलाई मौत की इतनी तो हमें ताकत है हम सरहदों के वास्ते मोहे एक दीवार है हम दुश्मनों के वास्ते होशियार हैं तैयार हैं भी हो शूरा बनते घर है ठिकाना भी हो पागल बनके पर कंधों से कंधों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दुश्मन के हिलते हैं
उन्नति और खुशियों को आगे आने वाली पीढ़ियों को सौंप गए। उनके बलिदानों की वजह से भारत तरक्की करता रहा और आगे बढ़ता रहा। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
What a happy feeling of winning the Kargil war and India moving forward in different ways. I am very excited to know the advancements of India in the next 20 years. So let us know through Nukkad Natak showcasing the Nav Bharat between 2007 to 2027.
भारत का विकास देखो, आओ आओ हमारा भारतवर्ष देखो, हमारा भारत उन्नत भारत, हमारा भारत विकसित भारत।
क्यों आज भारत की उन्नति सिर चढ़कर भी बोल रही है?
बोलेगी ही ना, विश्व ने यही महसूस किया है, तुम भी देखो।
क्या करे, आजकल तो चूल्हे में खाना बनाने भी मुश्किल हो गया है।
क्या हो गया भाग्यवान, लकड़ियां जलाने के लिए नहीं मिल रही हैं और इनकी धुएं से सांस की बीमारी हो रही है।
अरे भौजी, चिंता काहे करते रही हो? जाओ सरकारी कार्यालय में आपका नाम लिखवा लो, आपको तो फ्री में गैस मिल जाता है।
हाँ ठीक कहे तू भैया, आज ही जाते हैं।
आपका गैस सिलेंडर ले लो।
दुख के दिन बीते रे भैया, अब सका आया रे। साथ खुशियाँ ही लाया रे भैया, अब सुख आया रे।
देखा तुमने, यही है प्रगति उन्नति। हाँ बात तो बराबर की तुमने।
क्या यही है विकसित भारत? नहीं, इधर आ।
ये है हमारे भारत की बनावट तथा हमारे श्रमिकों द्वारा बनाई गई वस्तुएं।
क्या फायदा होगा अगर दूसरे देशों की वस्तुएं सुंदर और टिकाऊ होगी?
नहीं, अब मेरा भारत बदल रहा है।
हाँ, हमारा भारत खेल कूद में भी गोल ला रहा है और पहले ही प्रयास में मंगल पहुंच जा रहा है।
फिर तो दुनिया हमारी मुट्ठी में है।
मेक इन इंडिया से भारत के लोगों को रोजगार मिला और भारत में ही बनी वस्तुएं भारत के बाजारों में वोकल से लोकल के माध्यम से बिकी तो भारत की अर्थव्यवस्था मजबूत हुई।
क्या बात है।
कोरोना काल में भारत ही ऐसा देश है जिसने इतने कम समय में वैक्सीन बनाई और 130 करोड़ लोगों को कोरोना जैसी महामारी से बचाया और कई देशों में वैक्सीन भिजवाकर मानवता का उत्कृष्ट उदाहरण प्रस्तुत किया। इतना ही नहीं, बेटी को साफ मानने वाली जनता को जागरूक किया और उनकी सोच बदलकर बेटी पढ़ाओ बेटी बचाओ का नारा अपनाया।
साथ अगर तो काफी है, हम निर्भर खुद पर रखते हैं दम।
छोड़ेंगे ना बाबू कभी तेरे रास्ते, इस मिट्टी से पैदा हुए हम, इस मिट्टी के लिए जान दे देंगे। तुझसे ही जिंदा हुआ मेरे हिंदुस्तान, भारत मेरी शान।
तुझसे ही जिंदा हूँ मैं, तू ही मेरी पहचान।
समय जितना ही प्राचीन, सूरज जितना ही तेजस्वी और आकाश जितना ही विशाल, उतना ही पुराना है भारत का इतिहास।
ज्ञान विज्ञान की समृद्धि से सजा इतिहास,
शौर्य कलाकारी से छलकता इतिहास।
आज हर घर में बिजली है और हाथ में फोन है।
आज हर जेब में डिजिटल आधार कार्ड है।
विश्व के सबसे बड़े लोकतंत्र के रूप में आज लेकर आए भारत एक सर्वश्रेष्ठ अखंड है।
सबसे तेजी से बढ़ने वाली अर्थव्यवस्था। तो हम प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं कि मिलकर आगे बढ़कर देश की समृद्धि में संपूर्ण योगदान देंगे। जय भारत।
After 2 decades of progress, let us journey into 2047 and witness the vision of Viksit Bharat, a developed, innovative and sustainable India. Here we have 2 patients who went into a coma in 2021 and woke up in 2047.
అరే భూమా నువ్వు కూడా అంతే ఉన్నావు అని చూసుకో. ఇంతకు ఏమైందా అనుకో ఈ మెషిన్ ఏంటి ఎక్కడో ఫారిన్ లో ఉన్నాం నువ్వు చూడు. ఓ మై గాడ్ డాక్టర్ the 2 coma patients are awake.
You both met with an accident in 2021 and slipped to coma. You got out just now.
Acha, what is this?
2047.
I am where? In the USA?
Ankavalli Government Hospital in India.
Anakavalli? Baap re baap. This machine from USA?
Oh my god, take it slow. You'll get to know slowly. This is of course a robot made in India.
Hey robot, come here. What do you hear?
Hi, I am Kitty, your healthcare assistant. I take care of you and monitor your vitals.
You make coffee? You make peasant too? You clean home? Take care of babies?
Yes, but not me. They are robots designed for each purpose. I am designed for healthcare. I take part in essential surgeries that require perfection and precision. I detect your newborn firing rapidly with your thought.
All this how?
Tata, after you slipped into coma, India has developed a lot. We are number 1 in medical field. We developed AI and involved robots to assist us. Nanobots are very small robots that can even access tissues and areas that are even a robot can't reach. We have an advanced treatment for cancer that is now completely curable.
Doctor, be okay? You discharge us?
Why today? Stay for a few days so that we can monitor you. Where will you go?
Scanning. They are good to go. All seems fine. In case of any issue, the sensor in your body will detect and send signals to us so we can get back to you in case of an emergency.
భీమా నాకు ఇప్పుడు పిచ్చి మీటి పడుతుందిరా పాపం.
నీకు పిచ్చి లేదు.
అరే చాలా we want to see all of India. Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Thank you for reading. Hey driver, will you drive us safe?
ఎటువంటి రోడ్డు చూడు, గుంతలేని దారి చూడు, ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ వెహికల్ ఇక్కడ చూడు, ఏఐ టెక్ తో కారు చూడు. ఎనీ డౌట్?
No doubt.
Tata, I'm pursuing BE in Artificial Intelligence. I study for my exams during my allotted time and do part-time as a driver.
Wow, many things have changed. Look at the road. No potholes, no pipeline work. So clean, well-maintained roads and no loud horns. And more significantly, there is no dust.
Tata, from where did you people descend from? We have EVs that are clean, so no pollution, no potholes and no pipeline work.
Cars are AI controlled, so we know well ahead if there are any traffic jams. AI also ensures a safe and secure driving. All over India, we have smart cities, 24/7 electrical supply, water supply, and a clean and green environment. And trees cannot be cut down without the government's permission.
Bantu, I'm very happy to see these many developments.
Where shall I drop you?
To the airport. We would like to go to Kashmir.
Ding dong! This is the final call for Mr. Beam and Mr. Bantu to board the flight departing to Srinagar. Repeat, Mr. Beam and Mr. Bantu. Thank you.
Bantu, I can see children playing and I'm very happy. That too, both of Hindus and Muslims playing equally. The place seems to be beaming with tourists. We never visited Kashmir because we used to be scared those days.
Sir, did you wake up from a deep sleep? There is no Pakistan-occupied Kashmir anymore. That means there is no disturbance from either Pakistan or China over border issues. All issues are got sorted out and hence there is peace here.
I am very happy today, Bantu. I was very sad on the day of the Pulwama attack. Now, there is no more violence and bloodbaths.
Where are you off to?
Punjab!
अरे भीमा तू पंजाबी उससे चप्पले ले ना को
अरे अब छोटी तीनों पंजाबी है कुछ उसे पढ़ने ले
सत श्री अकाल पुत्र, मैं ठीक हाँ। किधर से हो आप लोग? दिखते हिंदी नहीं हो।
जी we not Hindi, we from Telangana. We are tourists. We tour the whole India. बेहद अच्छा आपका पंतलून है।
बेहद अच्छा कदरा बहुत अच्छा పంటలు ఓకే నెయ్యి చికెన్ పన్నీరు తిని గట్టిగా ఉన్నాడు తప్పు మాట్లాడి తమ్ముడు తినకు
काफी बहुत अच्छा आपका खेत बिग खेत
Yes, जी, yes. Big kid, managed by my son and also these robots. My son is an agricultural engineer. He supplies surplus grains to China and USA also, जी. Young blood, changa hai. Haryana is hosting Olympics 2047. चलेंगे मेरे साथ?
चलेंगे
This is the final call for Mr. Beam and Mr. Bantu to board the flight departing to Bangalore. Repeat, Mr. Beam and Mr. Bantu. Thank you.
Something is going on in Bangalore. There is so much security around here. There is a guard. I shall go and ask her. Ma'am, why this much security here?
ISRO exhibition is happening here in Bangalore and public are allowed to visit. You can sit and watch. It is starting soon.
ఎగ్జిబిషన్కి వెళ్దాం.
Good morning everyone. India hosted the G20 summit in 2023 that kick-started our journey to Vikasit Bharat. India has changed world politics and will be hosting the G20 summit in 2047. Many delegates from different countries have visited us. India is sending satellite Brihaspatiyan to Jupiter. We are proud to announce that India's mission to Mars has been a grand success. Over to you, Geeta.
India is planning to discuss the future advancements of our space program in the upcoming G2047 meet. Scientists from NASA have tied hands with ISRO to launch their satellites as well. Global situations have changed today. I am proud to conclude our exhibition by saying that situations back then were like this, but now have changed.
సభకు నమస్కారం.
సభకు నమస్కారం.
సభకు నమస్కారం.
జయము జయము మన భారత మాతకు జయము జయము.
తందాన తాన తందాన తాన
చెడి సరస్వతి తల్లి చంద్రమ్మ
తందాన తాన తందాన తాన
సంతాన దేవనందనాన
తరికిట చంతరిత. అన్నా ఈరోజు ఇంకా చెప్పబోతున్నావేం?
ఏముంది, ఎప్పుడు చెప్పే కథలేక ఏ మహారాజ్ కథో ఏ పురాణ కథో చెప్తాడులే.
ఆ కథలన్నీ పాతవే కానీ ఎంతో నీతిని బోధిస్తాయి కదరా.
కాదన్నా, ఏమైనా కొత్త కథ చెప్పరాదు? చెవులు తుప్పు వదిలేటట్టు ఏమైనా కొత్తగా చెప్పన్నా.
రామి గోల పాతంతే రోతగుందా, పాతలేంది కొత్త ఎక్కడిరా చిక్క సన్నాసి. ఈ పాతంతా కొత్తలోంచి కదరా వచ్చింది. ఒరే తమ్ముళ్ళు, మీరు ఇట్లా కోట్లాడపడి రసాభాస చేయకండి. తమ్ముడు అన్నట్లు ఈరోజు మనం కొత్త కథే చెప్పుకుందాం, కానీ పాతలోంచి కొత్తగా నడుద్దాం.
తరికిట తరికిట దేశానికి అన్నం పెట్టే అన్నదాతరా సమంగా చూసేరా వసిరి పంటలే పండించే ప్రధాన నడిపించే రైతురా
ప్రగతి పదాన్ని నడిపించే రైత కూసింత వేరంగా చెప్పవే.
అయ్యల్లారా అమ్మల్లారా, శ్రీలు పొంగిన జీవగడ్డ అయిన మన భారతదేశంలో పసిడి పంటలను పండించే కృషి వలని కథ ఇది. హలం పట్టి గంపని ఎత్తి దుక్కిని దున్ని పంటలు పండించేవాడే ఆనాటి రైతన్న. ఈనాటి యువత సైతం వ్యవసాయాన్ని తమ వృత్తిగా అనుకునేలా ఆదర్శమయ్యాడు ఈనాటి రైతన్న.
ఇందాక నుంచి చూస్తాన్నా టీవీ సీరియల్ లాగా సాగుతూనే ఉన్నావు. ఇకనైనా మొదలెట్టావా? వినేవాడికి చెప్పేవాడి లోపం ఉన్నట్లు కుసి తాగలేకపోతున్నావు. నువ్వు చెప్పన్నా.
రామాపురం అనే పల్లెటూరిలో శివయ్య అనే రైతు ఉండేవాడు. ఆ రైతుకి లేక ఒక బిడ్డ పుట్టాడు. ఆ బిడ్డకి పై చదువులు చదివించి పై దేశాలకు ఉద్యోగం పంపాడు. కానీ ఇప్పుడేమో తల పట్టి కూర్చున్నాడు.
అయితే సంతోషపడాలి కానీ బాధ ఎందుకు? తల పట్టుకొని కూర్చోవడం ఎందుకు?
అలాగే కొనసాగితే తండ్రికి బాధ ఎందుకు? 4 ఏళ్ళు పై దేశాల్లో ఉద్యోగం చేసి కూడబెట్టుకున్న ధనమంతా వ్యవసాయానికి పెడతా అంటున్నాడు. తండ్రికి ఏమో తన కష్టాలు, బిడ్డకి ఎందుకన్నా ఆవేదన. బిడ్డ ఏమో ఏదో సాధిస్తున్న ఆత్మవిశ్వాసం.
కొలువులకు చెప్పినాడు.
జయలలిత. ఏంటి ఏసీ రూములు, కోట్ల సంపాదన, కాలనొద్దని ట్రాక్టర్ పట్టాడా? ఓరోరి, పాతకాలం పద్ధతులు అనుకుంటున్నావా? ఇప్పుడు పద్ధతులే వేరు, పరిస్థితులే వేరు. కూర్చుని తినకూడదా? ఈతోటి ఏటా మార్పులు.
నాగలిపోయి ట్రాక్టర్ వచ్చారు, పక్షులు పోయి డ్రోన్లు వచ్చారు, కూలీలు పోయి రోబోలు వచ్చారు.
ఓహో, చాలా బాగుంది. తర్వాత ఏమైందో త్వరగా చెప్పన్నా.
శ్రమ శక్తిని మించి మేధా శక్తిని ఉపయోగించాడు. అధిక దిగుబడులను పొందాడు. తన తండ్రి ప్రభుత్వ అండదండంలో అసాధ్యాన్ని సుసాధ్యం చేశాడు.
తర్వాత ఏమైందో త్వరగా చెప్పన్నా.
ఇంకేముంది చెప్పడానికి? కష్టే ఫలనరుగా పెద్దలు నిరంతరం కృషి చేస్తూ బంగారు పంటలను పండిస్తూ తన తండ్రిని గర్వపడేలా చేయడంతో పాటు దేశాభివృద్ధికి పాటుపడ్డాడు.
ఏ పిల్లో ఎల్ద ముస్తవా, ఏ పిల్లో ఎల్ద ముస్తవా, పంచనేలకు పంట పొలాలకు ప్రకృతి ఒడిలో పరవశించుటకు ఏ పిల్లో ఎల్ద ముస్తవా, యువతకు మాత్రం ఏరుపరుచుటకు బంగారు భవితకు బాధలేయుటకు ఏ పిల్లో ఎల్ద ముస్తవా, ఏ పిల్లో ఎల్ద ముస్తవా, ఏ పిల్లో ఎల్ద ముస్తవా, ఏ పిల్లో ఎల్ద ముస్తవా.
Rima, I feel very happy today. I came out of a coma and realized that my dream had come true. India was once a land of gold and now it is a land of gold. I want to say that sun never sets in the Indian Empire. I totally agree. Jai Hind! Jai Hind!
Overall, India's vision for 2047 is ambitious yet grounded in its rich cultural heritage and democratic values, aiming to transform itself into a prosperous, inclusive, and a globally influential nation by its centenary of independence.
The achievements of India since 1947 are bright examples of our great potential. Be it Mangalyaan, or Yoga, or Olympics, or Oscars, India is constantly breaking records and making history. With thriving cultures and beliefs, India moves further united to new heights of success.
Dance is one of the holiest art forms. It entails far more than simply shaking your hands and legs. Dance allows you to express your thoughts and emotions without having to speak. So get ready for a whirlwind of joy and excitement. Without further ado, let us prepare for a spectacular dance performance.
ये देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश का यारो, इस देश का यारो क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का कहना. मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी. मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी. आजा आजा जिंदा शान के तले, आसमान के तले, चक दे इंडिया, चक दे इंडिया. वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम. सुजलाम सुफलाम भले शीतलाम, सत्य श्यामलाम मातरम वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम. ये दुनिया दुल्हन दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया। ये मेरा इंडिया, ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India, ये मेरा इंडिया। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जाने, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी है। फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला रंग दे, रंग दे रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे। तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम, आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए झांकी हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। ऐ मेरे प्यारे वतन, ऐ मेरे बिछड़े चमन, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान।
सुनहरी अंबर नीला, मौसम रंगीला,
तमन्ना मुन्ना राही, देश का सिपाही, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद। मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन, इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा धन, मेरा मन। ऐ वतन, ऐ वतन, संतोर से दुनिया वालों की नजर पे डालो, सारी जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी, हिंदुस्तानी। है गीत जहाँ की रील सदा, मैं गीत वहाँ के गाता हूँ, भारत करे मेरा हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ।
Wow, what a wonderful performance. The young Gibside showed their love for the country and glorified its beauty, history, culture and aspirations through this wonderful performance. The vivacious dancers, attired in traditional colors, showcased their love for the country.
It was indeed a wonderful experience for all the students. Let us give a huge round of applause for everyone. Thank you.
Pledge is an easy formal promise that has been proven to change our behavior. So, let us all stand and take the Viksit Bharat pledge together.
हमारा संकल्प, हमारा विकसित भारत pledge, विकसित भारत pledge. We pledge to make India develop, and self-reliant nation, by 2047. Remove any trace of the country. Who protect the country. Perform the duties. Perform the duties of a citizen. Of a citizen. Thank you.
We now request Gauri ma'am to give her valuable feedback about today's assembly.
Good morning, children. Yes, I can see this response coming because the assembly did that to us. What a vibrant, positive vibes I got all over. Children, I was just going through this whole day today. It's the morning assembly. We had such wonderful things to share, okay? And then when I was lighting the lamp, I said each time I light the lamp, I pray to God, may this positive vibe at DPS Miapur never go. Isn't it? Do we feel that vibe when we come to school? Let this vibe go on. Every day, every time I light the lamp, God, let us see a better day than every year, every moment, let it get better with the light of Lord in our presence, okay? So now, what an assembly. I think first thing, let's give a big round of applause. I think, and one more thing is, audience, give one more clap for yourself. You are the very responsive audience. What I would say is, I could see that you clapped at the right time. You encouraged the participants, and that is the beauty of a good audience. We can perform, but when the audience reacts rightly, then that is a sign of a good audience, okay? And as per, just before we do this Vikasit Bharat, I feel it is Vikasit DPS now, okay? We are going to enter our 10th year, and I remember earlier, yes, we are going to enter at ourselves. What a school we have turned out to be. All because of you and my fabulous team of teachers. Children, there were times when we started, we would not have enough students to even anchor an assembly, forget anything else. And today, my God, each one of you are masters in your art. Okay, and I must tell you the departments, the art department, I'm so proud of these posters. I saw it was being done by yourselves. Everything by the children, for the children, of the children. So I'm so proud of every single website who has contributed. Did you see the volunteers with what enthusiasm they moved the, they took their part very seriously. What if I'm not there in they did a good job. Volunteers, excellent work they were doing and full enthusiasm. They knew their roles, okay. Then after that, the music department, very wholesome today, excellent work. And see, the teacher himself went and bought those Uttarayas. He said, ma'am, I want it. And that added a oomph to the program. So it was beautiful. Next time I say, I love the journey. Children, I must tell you, because I'm pretty old now, the part of the journey I have traveled through also. Because of course I was not there, not born in 47. A little later, not much later though, I have seen many of these things. For example, I was there very much existing in the 72 Bangladesh relief, when Bangladesh got independent. Children, you don't know the repercussions that came to our lives. When the 72 war happened, I still remember standing with my mother to get a kerosene, because that time gas cylinders so bhuli jao. Even to light the chula, we had to stand in a big line to get kerosene to light our lamp and stove to burn, to have food in the on our tables. Also, everything was begin to when it was rationed. And I still remember I used to hear those long sirens, but since I was in south of India, I did not bear the brunt, but I know north of India bear the brunt of this war. There used to be those streaming, huge sirens ringing out, and people had to leave home and hide under the bunkers. It happened in India. But at that time, if you think the world is still going through, when you think of the Palestinian children who are all hit by these, weapons, it bleeds, and I have also seen post Bangladesh independence, I had the privilege, or I would say, it was a terrible thing I visited Bangladesh because I have relatives there. You won't believe oil was the most expensive. Oil, salt, mirchi, chilies were very, very expensive because these were basic needs. People were shot at random, plundering, unrest, violence. It was rampant. That is the outcome of war. War has never been satisfactory, okay? So that was the time, and I remember one of the news readers was given the Padma Shri award because every day I remember how my parents, all elders, uncles and aunties would be stuck to the radio, and so only, when I heard the first radio sound, I had goosebumps, is we knew what it is. We used to have radios and transistors, and if you know, radios were run by the valves. We now have all chips, semiconductor chips, but we used to have valves, diode valves and all, which will take time to heat. So when we start the radio, it will take some time to heat up and then the news will come. My parents, all uncles and aunties would have their ears stuck to the radio because war was going on. There was this news reader who would speak so encouragingly, so motivatingly, and he would move the minds of the nations. Full people of the minds of all the people. Such was the many times that we have gone through. Emergency came in, the Jallianwala massacre. I would say rather, I didn't see the Jallianwala massacre, but the Operation Blue Star. Those were testing times. Rajiv Gandhi's assassination. It was terrible. I was in South India at that time when there was hunting for those assassinators. Oh my God, it was like a story from the thriller books, okay? And these fellows were hiding, they were within India, and finally Black Cat Commandos, then the 2611. We have seen the horror side, but at the same time, I remember in 93 I had been to Malaysia, and that's the first time I saw a mall. I was thrilled, this is what is called to be in a foreign country. But believe me, now when I travel abroad, I feel India kuch kam nahi hai. Nowadays, you will get all the brands in India. Thanks to globalization and liberalization, I think it started with Manmohan Singh, our erstwhile Prime Minister. In his period, economic reforms happened, and now I don't go abroad and buy an H&M or Marks Spencer. तो हमारे mall में भी मिलता है. So now, I remember we did a British exchange program. They came and saw our malls and were stunned to see that we had such big malls. So I think we are doing very well for ourselves. Having said that, what we have to do is, children, it pains me even now when I see some chocolate wrappers thrown on the corridors. This attitude of India we need to change. So now, as much as you're proud to be an Indian, I saw your responses, and one thing is, I think teachers, let's clap for our children. The way you stood up for the national anthem, I was moved. I had goosebumps when the national anthem was being sung there. I remember one girl here just got up and everybody followed. And I think that, I actually first minute I didn't listen to the music clearly. She got up and it kind of then shook me ki oh, national anthem. And all of you maintained pin drop silence. Boy, I was so proud of you all. So that was another beautiful moment. And same way during the singing, there was this girl with a flag, she was holding it this way. That girl, kudos to you. She held it with so much of pride, no complaints. Because it was not that she just held it against her body, she held it far from her body with a proud. These are moments that, goosebumps moments for me. That same way, small details, attention to details matter. For example, I don't know how many of you observed, the boys got their job. Did you see that scene where the boys, did you see the file that they carried? It was covered with a silver paper. A small attempt to perfection. These are small things that make a lot of, when they got their files, both of them had it covered with a silver paper. Choti si baat, but badi si hoti hai, because they have owned their program. That is a beauty. Then same way, I think, attention to details, volunteers have written, and now children, I humbly thank all your parents who put in so much of effort, and I'm sure their eyes will be taras mein honge to see your performance. We will be sending them the video. Please tell your parents a humble thanks from all of us at school. Because of them, Chandrika ma'am said only 3 days we gave. Look at the dresses, look at the robos, look at the Mohiniyattam girls, look at the and every single child was put in the effort, and parents, I'm sure, went in. One day they spent the time to go get those stuff. I think my humble pranams and thanks to them also. And Nukkad Natak and Burra Katha is something that touches our soil. It comes from our soil. something in our own language is beautiful. The teacher who wrote the script for Nukkad Natak has put her soul into it. Because I think, that is what takes to be a teacher, that is what takes to be an Indian. When you feel it, there was soul in it. And Burakatha is the smell of our soil. I was just asking Sharmila ma'am, she says these are all kind of travel ministers and every state has these people. They are the soil, people of the soil who carry tales from everywhere, connect us to the reality outside. We are all these people and so well done. My God, some children acted out very well. So it was a journey down the memory lane for me because I come in that era. So, and really I don't know whether I will be there for 2047. But children make a difference. You are the future, you fill us with hope. And that time when I now go back to my room, I'll be very, very upset. Such a happy day, I'm full of myself. I'm so arrogantly proud today because, oh God, what a team, what an annual. It's like an annual day today. Every single assembly, just now Sonal ma'am was telling, every assembly is getting better and better. Ma'am, हम लोगों को tension हो रहा है कि हमारी assembly better हो. So I'm getting, it's like, I think Tomali ma'am was just telling me, ma'am, I had tears in my eyes. It's because of the commitment. And when you are here, you're so full of it, so fully involved. I feel so happy. And I think I cannot be happier. But when I go back to the school class, my room, there will be complaints. Ma'am, I was body shamed. Ma'am, they spoke ill of me. Ma'am, they told I am black. Then boys in the back seat tease the girls in the front. They use unparliamentary language. That is the moment you hurt. All that bubble that I live in, it gets punctured within you. So promise me, Dipsides, that you will be the change. You will be my Vikasit Bharat. You are the ones who are going to take me forward. So if you speak, if you do the right things, be my example. In the apartments, everybody should say, "Ye bacha kaun si school se aaya hai? Kiske bache hain? Who is your parents?" They must want to know. Because you not only represent me, my school, you represent your parents. I have seen every time I've met parents who have come to me. A parent this time came in for the 9th standard PTM. Ma'am, it hurts me to see what children are doing, what they talk. He does. He said, I will come and talk to children. This is not the way to speak. I said, so we are telling our children. So if you brand DPS, if you brand Bharat, be the good children. Promise me, will you promise me never to use an unparliamentary language? More affirmation I want. Promise me. The buses will be the best place to be where you're talking good things. Have fun. I've never said no fun. But always I see through you the joy that I live. We all live our joy when we see happiness in your face. So promise me, children, that you will be the best kids in the bus, best kids in your apartment. If anybody is using all those cool languages which is not cool, you will tell them, let's not do it. Okay? So, my great appreciation, yeah? Dance, oh yes, correct, I have not come to that. Last year I did not write because you came out, made me come here. The dance was the icing on the cake. Oh my God. Yes. All the dances, just not one dance. Right from the first dance to the Kargil soldiers. Then I think we had the first dance which was beautiful. The melody was so nice. वो वाले गाने आजकल नहीं मिलते हैं पुराना तेलुगु songs. That reminds me of my childhood actually, children. The old songs, the Kargil song, then there was one more Telugu song, and I heard our teachers sang and recorded songs. My God, what an effort, teachers! I think school BPS is in a great hands. My teachers are as crazy as me. We all resonate with madness, and so you are you. Thank you once again. I would have failed if I had not appreciated the dance, and what a finale. My humble appreciations to each one of you. Thank you. You made my day.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspirational words. Now, we'll have the vote of thanks by Dhruv, Ishita and Sandra. I, on behalf of grade 7 students, pay my gratitude to all of you present here. First and foremost, we raise our hearts in gratitude and thank the Supreme Power, the Creator, for blessing us with this beautiful day. It would be incomplete if I don't express my gratitude to the team responsible for making this event a success. I would like to thank our respected head of school, Ms. Gauri ma'am, for presiding over this colorful festivity. We are really encouraged by your presence, ma'am. I take this opportunity to thank our headmistresses, Ms. Sharmila ma'am and Ms. Raina ma'am, for their presence in this remarkable event. I take this opportunity to thank our administrative team headed by Mr. Surya sir for his perfect logistic support.
It gives me great joy to thank our coordinator, Mrs. Deepthi Chandrika ma'am, who always gives us the guidance and support required in all our endeavors. Heartfelt thanks to all teachers who are our second parents and always stand by us, guide, lead and motivate us. This event would not have been possible without them and our parents. We would like to extend our special gratitude towards the team of our enthusiastic and supportive art and music teachers who have created the perfect atmosphere for this event to be a joyful one.
Thank you, dear Didis and Bhaiyas. Thank you, Ramu Bhaiya, Balakrishna Bhaiya and Ramesh Bhaiya for your silent and diligent support. It's time we take your leave. We hope you have a blessed and a joyous day ahead. Now,